to reward, recognize, appreciate and salute individuals and organizations who have been contributing towards excellence in the service sector and in the business sector. So once again, on behalf of Big Research, it's a great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you in this morning. It's really chilled here, but we are sure that it's going to be great celebrating it with all of you. Warm welcome to these awards as we recognize the excellence in the service and the business sector. As I talk about our chief guests, ladies and gentlemen, the credibility of any award is also assured and ensured by whom it is being presented. As I say, a fearless, a flamboyant cricketer, a charmer who was off the field as well as on the field. And many of you must not be knowing, ladies and gentlemen, that he's also an entrepreneur like many of you. He also has his own venture, which is Cardio Strokes, and this is an E-line program which he's extending. Again, extending the nuances of the trade of cricket to the people and also helping them in the management. So, I know all of you know who the personality and expression is, so without much ado, I would like to call upon here on stage our chief guest, and ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, please join me in welcoming Mr. K. Sriram. And I'm sure it's going to be really exciting listening to his smashing and dashing part of his personality and further guidance.
So the mic is all yours.
The one good truth is about all of you. And first thing I could do is just congratulate all of you for your excellence.
And the next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for the people right now where you are, the rich hospitality which you're enjoying, ladies and gentlemen, of this hotel. This award is for the best preferred hotel in Delhi, and it goes to Crown Plaza, New Delhi, Rohini. We have Mr. Ranjan Banerjee present with us. Strategically located, ladies and gentlemen, in Northwest Delhi, Crown Plaza, New Delhi, Rohini is the preferred destination to meet and celebrate. And it has 50,750 square feet of meeting space, one of the largest in Delhi and NCR. Now we are here in a good hospitality place, and I would like to request Mr. Ranjan to say a few words. Mr. Ranjan, if I can request you to say a few words as you take this award.